It will come true. Everything that you desire will come true if you write it down in this special fashion. Scripting is one of the most powerful ways to manifest your deepest desires. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. We believe you deserve the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health and happiness that you depend on. Hey, listen, come join us at Law of Attraction Solutions on Facebook. We're putting content up there every single day, some powerful content, and we're going live on a regular basis. Law of Attraction Solutions on Facebook. Okay. Now, scripting. You've seen tons of videos. You've read books. You think you know it all, and maybe you do. But these techniques will help you manifest anything, and I do mean anything, that you deeply desire. In my own personal scripting journey, in the last few years, I've bought 5 new cars, not to mention an old truck. I've become married to the most special person in the entire world. We've been together now 7 years. And what is this, a 7-year itch time? Ooh. We have a beautiful boy. He is an absolute genius, and he's just wonderful to be around most of the time. But no, he's special. He's everything to me. We have a thriving business. Our business is growing. We're doing new things. Every month, we're surprised. We're shocked almost at how well we are doing. We have a beautiful 5-bedroom home with a swimming pool. We have everything that we could desire. Incredible vacations. Rachel, verify this. We spent a whole month at Disneyland last year.
And thank God we did, because we're cut off this year.
Yeah, and thank God we did, because we're cut off this year. But, you know, we go all kinds of places. And we have a growing YouTube channel thanks to you. I am reversing my aging. And we're doing some big business deals that are manifesting for us that are just one. We have a new product coming out that is just going to revolutionize the law of attraction, getting rid of negative energy and all of that. But that's for another video. The key is, high flyers, I wrote all of this down. I wrote it down and I continue to write it down. It's called scripting. I like to call it soul scripting, because I'm not just scripting what I want. I want this, I want that, I want this. I'm scripting from my soul, and that's a big difference. Let me show you what I mean. So first, high flyers, I know you can script on a napkin. I was with a guy who ran an insurance company. He was a multimillionaire. We were having lunch. He didn't have a sheet of paper, and so he pulled out a napkin and began writing certain goals that he wanted to hit on that napkin. And you know, he kept that napkin. He didn't get home and transfer it. He probably did, but he kept the napkin because it was important to him. So you can write on anything, but I recommend getting a nice book, you know, something that is, here's why. You want to be able to tell your subconscious mind on a regular basis, this is unique. This is special. I have tablets all over the house for different things that I'm writing, but this one is special because this deals with my dreams and goals. Get it special, make it special, it's yours, and you're going to want to put it in a special place. I like it right by the bed or on your bedroom dresser, and I'll show you why here in a moment. So high flyers, when you are writing in your scripting diary, your soul scripting, when you're soul scripting, here's what soul scripting is. Let me really express the difference to you so you understand. Soul scripting is writing in a tone of gratitude. So rather than put, I want a new bicycle, which, by the way, we just got, I want a new bicycle, I would put, I am so grateful that Rachel and I are able to bicycle together when the weather is permitting. And then I might put some ideas, some places, some locations. It's so wonderful to be able to share time with Rachel and go bicycling together, all of that kind of stuff. In other words, I add some expression to it, but I start off with gratitude because gratitude puts me in alignment, high flyers, with source energy. And that's essential. So also you'll notice that I am writing my soul scripting in present tense. I'm not writing in past tense. I'm not writing in future tense. I'm never going to use the word I want because that means I don't have. I write in present tense. I enjoy driving my new Rubicon Jeep. I can't wait to take it out on the trails, etc., etc., etc. You get the idea. Use language that you would use. What I mean by this is don't try to make it poetic. Don't write it as if someone else was going to read this. Write it as if you're writing to yourself. Use your own language patterns. Okay? Keep it real so that when you read it, it's you talking, not somebody that you've created. I think that's so important because you want to write from the center of your soul. Now, here's one of the big secrets. After you've written and you have several pages written, go back and convert the different gratitude sentences that you've written down into affirmations. I am enjoying my new Jeep Rubicon. I am enjoying bicycling with Rachel on a regular basis. I am enjoying our new home. I love swimming in the swimming pool. I am enjoying my new crush. We love being together, etc., etc. I don't have a new crush, by the way, but I use that for some of you who do. Okay, so you want to have your affirmations written down as well. Some people put the affirmations in the back of the book going forward, and they put their soul scripting in the front of the book going backward. Okay, hang on now. High flyers, we're going to tell you how to make this thing work. Okay, so are you ready? Every night, you read whatever you have written before. Now, you may want to write at night as well, because that's a great time before you're going to bed and going into sleep and carrying all that you've read, all those gratitude, soul scripting stories that you have written down. You're carrying them into your subconscious mind, and eventually you'll be carrying them into your dreams as well. So you read your soul scripting at night. You write your soul scripting in the evening. In the morning, you do your affirmations. When you get up, you start popping off those I am affirmations. And I like to hit those I am affirmations right away because there's a window of time when my mind is still open. And so the sooner I start saying those affirmations, the more effective it is. Okay, so whether you're writing your soul scripting, whether you are reading your soul scripting in the evening, or whether you're doing your affirmations in the morning, I want you to feel it. I mean, I want you to feel it as if you were there. Feel the excitement. smell it, taste it, see it, touch it, feel it totally and completely. And then put the book down, detach, and let go. And trust the universe. Okay, here's some other videos that will help you on your journey.